Hello guys, Brad here again with another fragrance review. Today I want to look at a fragrance from the house of Jimmy Choo. This is called Jimmy Choo Man, a 2 ml sample that I got off of eBay. This is what the bottle looks like inside the card. This is my sample right here, almost empty. Maybe one more wearing left to there. It says, elegant and contemporary with a rock attitude, Jimmy Choo Man wears its masculinity with confidence. Between noble materials and ultimate sophistication, the power of freshness takes over in this woody, aromatic fougere. So this is an aromatic, fruity fragrance. Came out in 2014, the very first Jimmy Choo fragrance released. So I'm sure a lot of people were kind of excited to see that Jimmy Choo decided to branch out into men's fragrances. And I guess the big question is, Jimmy Choo, is this going to be, you know, something innovative and special, kind of like Terry Mugler and John Varvatos. So it's just going to be another mass appealing generic mall scent. Well, I think more along the second line in this one. The notes we have pink pepper, pineapple leaf, melon, lavender, suede, and patchouli. So when you first smell this one, you definitely do get this pineapple type fruitiness. There's be a little bit of a melon, like a honeydew melon, accord in there as well. I think maybe gives a little bit of a watery fruitiness as well. There is a little bit of a pink pepper in there, just a little spiciness for some sensuality and warmth. You do get a little bit of suede in there, like a thin suede leather type accord. It says there's some patchouli in here, but I don't really get patchouli. So basically, just like a fruity pineapple uh, melon scent with some leather in there in the background, very light leather. Not a bad fragrance, but nothing too special or innovative in my opinion. Um, and it seems pretty light. I didn't get any feedback on this. I even had my wife put her nose up to my arm after I just went on for a couple hours, and she said she couldn't even smell it. So not a real strong fragrance. So if you like your fragrance is kind of light and non-invasive, this might be a good way to go. If you're looking for something that's gonna light up the room, this one might not be the best choice. Um, I've seen some reviewers even compare this one with Bleu de Chanel. I don't really get that comparison myself. Bleu de Chanel had like the grapefruit, incense, um, and some ginger. This one doesn't really have any of those accords. It's a different type of fragrance from that, in my opinion, but a fruity leather type fragrance with a little spice. Pretty much it. Uh, it was okay. I think it's a fine fragrance, but it just doesn't blow me away. And if I were to test this side by side with other fragrances at the mall, I probably would just sort of forget about this one after a few days anyway. So let's get into some final scores. Smell, say 6.5 out of 10. If I smelled okay, but it's kind of light and it's nothing really groundbreaking or anything like that. Projection longevity, 5 out of 10. One of the worst aspects of the fragrance is just that after about half an hour or so, it becomes very close to the skin. Versatility, 6 out of 10. I think this one would do best for spring and summer. A little bit of the greenness from that leafy pineapple. Uh, Plus, there's uh, the melon in there as well. So yeah, more of a warm weather scent. And uniqueness really doesn't seem too special there. 6 out of 10. The price point though is gone down pretty good. $32.75 for the full size 100 ml bottle. But for me overall, 6 out of 10. A pleasant enough fruity pineapple leather fragrance, a little spice in there, but nothing too special. But it's okay. I think for people starting out, it might be worth checking out. It might make a good gift idea, especially for this time of year when we're getting to the spring. But yeah, if you're a collector, been in the game for a while, you'll probably find this one kind of forgettable. So that's my thoughts on Jimmy Choo Man. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.